In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make charts on Canva. Canva is a fantastic online design tool that's intuitive and easy to use, making it a breeze to create stunning visuals, even if you're not a professional designer. Today we'll walk through the process of adding charts to your Canva projects, a handy skill for creating reports, presentations, or any visual content needing data illustration. To get started, open Canva in your web browser and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your project dashboard. If you don't have a specific project in mind yet, you can start with a pre-designed template or create a new blank design. For today's lesson, let's focus on the chart elements themselves. First, head over to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find a menu bar filled with different design elements. Click on Elements to open a treasure trove of design features that Canva offers. Here, you've got access to everything from shapes and lines to graphics and frames. What we're interested in today, though, is the charts. Once you're in the Elements section, go up to the search bar and type in the word chart. This will pull up a selection of different chart styles that Canva has to offer. You'll find various types such as bar charts, pie charts, line graphs, and more that could suit all kinds of data presentations. Take a moment to scroll through the options and perhaps consider what might work best for your data set and the story you're trying to tell with your visual. After deciding on a chart style, it's time to bring it into your design. Simply click on the chart you prefer and by dragging, drop it onto your design canvas. You'll notice that the chart can be resized, repositioned and customized to fit perfectly within your project layout. Now you'll want to start entering your data. Click on the chart to bring up the charts editing toolbar, typically located at the top of your Canva workspace. From there, select the data option. This will open a spreadsheet interface where you can input your dataset directly, or if you prefer, copy and paste from another document. As you enter your numbers, watch how the chart dynamically adjusts to represent your data accurately. Once your data is in, consider customizing the chart's appearance to suit your design needs. Canva allows you to change colors, adjust titles, and even alter text fonts within the chart to ensure it aligns with your overall design aesthetic. And there you have it, a quick and simple guide to creating charts in Canva. By working through these steps, you add clarity and visual interest to your data presentations, making your projects both informative and engaging. As you continue experimenting with Canva's elements, you'll discover how versatile and creative you can get with your designs. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be crafting charts like a pro.